Okay, bit later recording tonight. A very annoying fly I couldn't get rid of, so I showed it a bottle of Ghost Ship and it's gone. Anyway, tonight is healing with a quartz cluster and smoky quartz. That's a Brazilian quartz cluster and a very light smoky. I couldn't find a dark one actually, that's going between the feet. So, a little bit on clusters to start with. The work is Crystals and Healing, which is a workbook I've written for people coming to the barn actually. So, with a cluster, there exists a group of individual points with a common base. Family of quartz points, all in harmony. Some points will have grown very close to each other. It's a bit like a wood of trees. Some points will be longer than others, and all these points are in communication. They are a group, and so the cluster has a group aura. Can you imagine then using a clear quartz cluster in a group, especially a meditation group? Also placed in a room, can bring people together in a positive, energetic way. It can heal the individual group members by the light that it emits. Now, on an individual basis, it can heal your individual group life. To bring an understanding here is to realise, as mentioned before, that you are a one life which has many individual parts. For example, the physical body has 12 systems. In relationship to the chakras is the endocrine system. Every chakra has its physical counterpart or endocrine gland. So, also the endocrine system is a group life with 7 individual parts that has a relationship to the chakra system and its 7 individual parts. And yet the chakra system is a group life. I will mention one more system, the skeletal system. Again, it is a group life with many individual parts. Can you now realise the group relationship of a quartz cluster and its potential for healing? Quartz clusters dramatically vary in size. The clarity is quite important. Let me present a healing meditation with a clear quartz cluster. One other energy is required, and that is the smoky that I mentioned. You can use darker stones, but smoky quartz is, bear in mind, part of the quartz family. It is excellent for grounding the consciousness and will magnetically hold you to the earth, as it possesses the earth's natural radiation. It's worth pondering upon what that natural radiation consists of. There is obviously a scientific theory. What lies behind that theory in terms of energy? They have proven the energy of quartz and harnessed its qualities. As far as healing with quartz, there is no scientific proof, or I should say, no recognised scientific proof. That is a subject for the future. It is inevitable. So, find a smoky quartz is not too small. No smaller than an extra large tumblestone. A point could also be used. A smoky quartz cluster would be excellent. It's quite hard to find smoky quartz clusters. Right, so if we're ready for this one, it is a forerunner actually for the healing of the skeletal system itself. So I should present that in so many parts after this particular meditation. So, and it also goes into 2 parts as well. There's the initial healing, and then there is another part where you can heal the back as well. So I should talk both and see how we get on, really. So have your crystals ready and prepared for meditation. Place the smoky quartz either beneath your feet or close to your base chakra if you're sitting on the floor. Sitting on the floor is particularly effective for grouping as your base chakra is in contact with the earth. Now pick up your quartz cluster. Observe the cluster. Realize it is a group life. It has the ability to heal you as a group life. So the first part of this healing meditation is to heal the physical body. Because it is a group life, its aura will extend way beyond its physical structure. Experiment now to find the edge of its aura by moving your hand in towards the cluster. Try about 12 inches away, maybe further. When you reach the edge of a cluster's aura, it will feel like a resistance, a field of energy. Okay, I'm getting it round about here. And stay with this. Now take your hand inwards, close to its physical structure. Wait until you can feel the energy. It's getting quite intense there. You are going to place your hand onto the area of your physical problem. So, slowly move your hand through the aura of the crystal. What you are doing is pulling the energies towards your physical body. Your physical problem may well lie within the aura of the cluster. If it is not, you'll pull the aura of the cluster towards your problem. Power of your visualization, your intention will make this happen. The quartz will respond. So I'm going to pull this one towards my solar plexus. Just positioning it in line with the solar plexus. And place your hand onto the physical problem. Hold there for several minutes or so. It can be 10 minutes or slightly more. And after you have healed the area, you actually use the cluster to actually clear the negative energy within the auric field. Pointing it towards the body and slightly moving it through. Cluster clears the aura rapidly. I'm clearing around the solar plexus. Obviously I haven't done long enough on there, but okay. Now if the cluster is large, use visualization and place your intention to the quartz cluster to clear your aura. Visualize the energy from the points being emitted. Now the problem may be on the back or another area you cannot reach. This is where you need to be more abstract. So initially you visualize a soul sphere above the head. You link the energy of the cluster to the soul sphere via the brow and third eye. There's a triangle there. And from the soul sphere, bring energy down the spine to the base chakra. All this you visualize as light. So take the energy down the spine. To the base. making me sit up straighter. And you proceed to find the aura of the cluster, moving your hand close to the cluster, slowly bringing your hand back, pulling the healing energies with it. Finally, imagine your hand goes onto the problem area. This will be a visualization of your etheric hand. Continue to heal for the time previously suggested. So you imagine your etheric hand is on your back. Mine is on the middle of my back. That's where the problem is. There's a lot of energy here. And then clear the aura using the energy from the soul. Remember, your soul is connected to the energy of the cluster. As I say, there's a lot of energy. And then to finish, you have to ground it. I by nowhere near did enough time, but the energy was quite remarkable coming from this cluster. It's still sort of going really, slight rocking movement. Yeah, so please share this and please sort of subscribe. I will continue with the next one tomorrow. Okay.